Earrings are undoubtedly my favorite accessory, and here is how you can display your collection. First, you'll need these supplies. I'll have everything linked in the description below. First, you'll want to glue together 2 pieces of cork. You want them to be pretty thick, so the earrings will be away from the wall. The glue on the back of these strips are pretty bad, that's why you need better glue. Here is where you would paint the cork your desired color. Next, you want to attach the hooks and curl them around the gold rod. Then you can add your earrings on. The best part of this is that you don't have to take the backs off the earrings. Just a note here is that I should have had the rod be a little bit lower on the cork so that you can hang the earrings nicer. The last step is to nail it to your wall. You can use command strips too, and that's how I made this. Thanks for watching.